How to set up two-factor authentication in Bybit application. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Bybit application. Now at the top left corner, tap on your profile. Now go to security. Now enable the toggle for Google two-factor authentication. Now enter the code from your mail. Now tap on confirm. Now tap on continue. Now tap on copy key. Now go back to home screen and find Google Authenticator. Now tap on the Authenticator application. Now tap on add a code. Now click enter setup key. Now enter your key, your account name, and tap on add. Now go back to the application and tap on next. Now copy the code and paste the code. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.